going to show you how to place the shields correctly. Incorrect placement of shields can lead to all sorts of causes with popping the waterline, a lash lift that doesn't turn out well, lots of things. So on this eye, I'm going to show you how to, not show you how to incorrectly place it, but show you the incorrect placement here. And on this eye, I will show you the correct placement. The biggest thing with shields is that you want to make sure that they are the correct size for your client. My goal is I want the bump, the B-O-M-B, to be in the center of her eye, which it is. So I don't need to trim them. If I were to trim them, I would trim off this inner corner and then scoot it forward here. I have used the taping method on this client. If you are interested in learning more about why and how, go back to our previous video of taping the eyelid. And then again, this is the incorrect placement. I see this one all the time, is this. They're leaving a gap in between the skin, the shield, and the eyelashes. So you want this to be as close to the eyelid and eyelashes as possible, so that gap should not be there. So when you lift the lashes, the placement is incorrect because of that gap right there. So again, this is incorrect placement. And on this eye, I'm going to show you the correct placement here. So you want to get it as close to that lash line as possible. It helps to kind of bunch it up a little bit there. And then as you place it, you can also kind of scoot it down. But you'll notice how I don't have any gaps in from the shield to the eyelashes like I do on this eye. So this is gap. Obviously this is exaggerated. However, I see a lot of stylists doing this instead of this.